asuntoskätty Nuijatie 14. Okay. Vapaala, Vantaa. Staircase B. In 1973, it's 30953.
I could start on the top floor.
Yeah.
I got the flow indicator.
Yeah.
Probably the most amazing ones here in this district. In
Yeah.
Vapaala, Friars.
Yeah, but I like Kone. It's more even.
Of
It
course.
does have not so many floors, but
Yes,
still.
of course, but they probably don't have pop-out here.
I think I searched some pop-outs here.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We'll search.
Yeah. Here's 3 per saw 240 kilograms. Inspected by QA inspected, maintained by Schindler. Eighth floor.
This is amazing. And the serial is H30953. The stop and alarm buttons are still of the 1960s type.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2022, turning 50 years old in 2023. I hope there is nobody on the first floor.
Yeah. That's